welcome back to Somerset Prep Homestead.
Today is Friday, January 10th, 2025.
I'm Rocco Castro.
And I'm Lucas Saavedra.
And you're watching Python TV.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Hello, Pythons. What's your favorite TV show?
Ooh, SpongeBob, I'm ready.
Me too. We should go watch it later.
Oh yeah.
Now here are your daily announcements.
Mr. Barry? What's up, Mr. Barry? You look sad. Are you okay?
I'm having a really bad day.
You look like you need a hug.
Thank you.
Feel better, okay?
Thank you so much. Even though I appreciate the hug, something is missing. I know hugs can be even better, but I don't know how. I must search for an answer. They say you can find a clue anywhere. I'm not going to find what I'm looking for here. I think I need to go for a walk and clear my head. Georgia. I walked all the way to Georgia? The kids are coming back from lunch. I have to get back to the school. I'll continue my journey later.
That's it for today, Pythons. Remember to stay positive, be kind, and make the most out of every day.
Let's make this school year one for the books. We'll be back tomorrow more news and updates. Have a great day. Go Pythons!